Alrighty. G'day everyone, how you going? You're in for another great episode. A MEPO5 cooking special. Introducing MEPO5.
Hey, here you go, MEPO5 here. Skully's got the situation happening now. We're doing apricot chicken tonight, and I'm going to use my new Maryborough Albion number 10 camp oven. So we'll come over here and we'll get it out of the. I've had it seasoning. All right, the Albion number 10.
Tell us a little bit about this camp oven, Meppo.
Well, it's was made in Maryborough, Queensland, in the late 1800s to early 1900s. The foundry closed down from what I worked out to be 1907, around that sort of time. So this thing's 100 years old at least, and you got the Albion number 10 right there on the inside of the lid there. So this will be the first cook.
Yeah, looks good, Meppo, looks good. What are you cooking, mate?
Well, I'm going to be doing apricot chicken. So we'll get everything set up. She's been nicely seasoned. Been seasoning it all day, and she's good to go. So just make sure she's all good on the bottom. So basically what we're going to do is get all the ingredients, get it all happening. All you're going to need is chicken. We're using chicken legs, Aldi of course, apricot nectar, apricot halves, spring onion vegetable soup mix, and the tongs for there. So I'm going to put everything into the camp oven, and we're going to be using the MEPO 4.5 once again because this is a 10-inch oven, so that'll fit nicely into the 4.5, and then we'll hot rock it and get it all going on. So all good. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to do is get some hot rocks into the 4.5er. So most of this will be I use my little shovel, eh? Okay, we get that going, and we'll put the ingredients in. Alrighty, so we're going to get the rest of this stuff in. That's the nectar. I've got some in there too because there was some left over. Because like, whenever we cook anything, we've got to do 2 dishes. We've got to do what I call the real dish. As in, like, it's got the meat in it, and then we've got to do a vegetarian alteration because we do a vegetarian mix as well. So that was the apricot nectar, and the apricot halves are in, and I put in the the French onion soup mix. French onion soup mix. And the rest of the chicken legs. Okay, normally I would use a big oven, but I'm just using a small because I want to use my 10-inch oven, my new one. So I'll just go wash my hands. Give it a stir. Give it a stir. Okay, it's important to wash your hands while you're preparing food and doing stuff with food. So, oh, that's all done now. I'll just move this out the way. Okay, put the lid on. And put coals on top. Couple in there. Rightio. Now I'm going to check that. That'll probably take about an hour and a half, maybe. Hour and a half to cook. So we'll check it every half hour, see how we go. But yeah, got enough heat in there. So first cook, Albion number 10. 100-year-old pot. So excellent. It's on its way. All right. We'll just check this out. She's been cooking for about half an hour. Yeah, it's looking good. A bit stuck on the bottom, but I should have used a smaller oven, but yeah, it's looking good. Give it a bit of a stir up. The lid back on. Beauty. See the heat's going underneath. I need some more heat, I think. It's been about an hour and 20 minutes, so we're going to check it out. Here we go. Yeah, that looks good. So we'll take that upstairs and get it served out. So, apricot chicken in the Albion number 10 camp oven from Maryborough, Queensland. Well, I'm not. It's from Maryborough, Queensland. So, Aldi number 10, Albion number 10, camp oven, apricot chicken was a great success. Roger D, Dickie Nee.